आज काम करूँगा मैं, काम करूँगा।
तू आया यार, तो सब काम करा गया दोस्त आया मेरा यार। कपड़े ले अच्छे कपड़े पहन के आऊँ?
नहीं।
Okay guys, this is day number 20 and I have met my friend since 27 years. We met last time in USA. This is Ajay Singhania and he worked for Bollywood. And we met on a show that he was at in Kansas City. And we became friends over there back in 1997. Since then, we've only met like 4 times. This is our 4th time meeting together. And I'm at his home in Barakar in West Bengal. He does have his studio here. He has his studios in Bombay and everywhere else. So yeah, this is an emotional meeting for me and him. And we are both really happy about it. So, Ajay Singhania. So yeah, he has a video channel on YouTube also. So I will give you the link if you're interested in music. He's a guitarist since a long time and has been working for Bollywood for a long time also. Okay guys, this is day number 20 of my trip from Dharamsala to Calcutta by road in my camper. This is Ajay Singhania, my friend since the last 27 years. We met back in 1997 in USA, Kansas City. He was there for a show that they were doing in Kansas City, and since then we have been friends. We've only met like 3 times before, and this is my 4th time. So I am in Barakar, his hometown in West Bengal, and this has been an emotional meeting for us. We are really happy to see each other after so long. Last time we met in Bombay was like in 10 years ago. So Ajay Singhania, the musician from Bollywood, he's a guitarist also, has his mixing studios in Barakar and Bombay also. He also has a YouTube channel that you can subscribe to. You can search for Ajay Singhania on YouTube and see all his videos over there. They're excellent videos. So Ajay, nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
And wish to keep on meeting like this again.
Thank you for coming.
My day number 20. My trip from Dharamsala to Calcutta by road in my camper. I am in Barakar, West Bengal with my friend today. He is right here in front of me and taking me out for a walk in the bazaar. And as you can see, it is pretty busy. A lot of people here, a lot of tea stalls and other food stalls.
ये वाली शॉप आपके साथ ये भैया काम कर गए थे, उनकी फैमिली को बॉम्बे लेके गए।
This is the old GD road. Believe it or not, all the trucks and buses used to traverse this road in the old days. Now they've made a new bypass around the city. But looking at this traffic, I'm wondering how much trouble the truck drivers or bus drivers used to have going through here.